Logical function or and we make with Mealy machine. So first we discuss the table for OR gate. So what will be the table for OR gate? X, Y and Z. X, Y will be the input and Z will be the output. So for 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, what will be the output for OR gate? For 0, 0, it will be 0. If any 1 will be available, the output will be 1. So 0, 1, 1. For 1, 0, 1. For 1, 1, 1. In OR gate, if any one condition is true, or we can say 1, then it will give the 1 output or true output. So for 0, 0, it will be 0. For 0, 1, it will be 1. For 1, 0, it will be 1. And for 1, 1, it will be 1. And now let's see the truth table for AND gate. Input and output X, Y, Z. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Here in AND gate, when both will be true, then the output will be true. Or we can say when both will be 1, then output will be 1. So for 0, 0, it will be 0. For 0, 1, it will be 0. For 1, 0, it will be 0. And for 1, 1, it will be 1. Whenever both 1 will come, then it will give 1. Or we can say when all the conditions are true, then we will get 1 or true. So these are the tables for OR gate and AND gate, and according to these table we will make the Mealy machine. So start with the state Q naught, and for this is for OR. This is for OR. Mealy machine for OR. So for 0, 0, it will give 0. For 0, 1, it will give 1. For 1, 0, it will give 1. And for 1, 1, it will give 1. Simply through one state, we can make the Mealy machine for logical function OR. Logical function OR. For 0, 0, it will give 0 output. For 0, 1, it will give 1 output. For 1, 0, it will give 1 output. And for 1, 1, it will give 1 output. Now let's see for AND. Logical function, the Mealy machine. What will be the Mealy machine? Start with the initial state, or start with the state Q naught. And for 0, 0, what will be the output? 0. For 0, 1, what will be the output? 0. For 1, 0, what will be the output? 0. And for 1, 1, what will be the output? 1. For AND gate or for AND function, for 0, 0, 0 output. For 0, 1, 0 output. For 1, 0, 0 output. And for 1, 1, 1 output, according to the truth table of AND gate. So these are the this is the Mealy machine for AND, and this is the Mealy machine for OR. Now move to the next Mealy machine, in which we want to add present and previous bit. Present and previous bit. Mealy machine. These are also Mealy machine or AND gate Mealy machine, and this is add present and previous bit with Mealy machine. How we are going to make it? Start with the state Q naught, and we suppose here the previous bit is 0. The previous bit is 0. So again 0, what we will get? 0 0. Previous bit is 0 and current bit is 0, so 0 0. Now move to the next state, in which previous bit is 1, in which previous bit is 1. So we are moving to next state, that is 1 bit. So current bit is here 0 and the next bit is 1, so we can say this is previous bit and this is present bit. So for 1, if we add 1 and 0, then what we will get? 0 1. This is previous bit 0 here, but for this the current bit is 1. So previous and current bit, previous bit is 0 and current bit is 1. So what will be the addition? 0 1. We will add 0 in 1, or so we will get 0 1. Now move to the next. Here previous bit is 1 and current bit is also 1, then what we will get? 1 0. If previous bit is 1 and current bit is 1, so what we will get? If we add both of them, then we will get 1 0, because we know if we add 1 1, then what we will get? 0 and 1 carry, so we will get 1 0. Now here for 0, here for 1, here for 1 and here for 0, then what we will get? Let's see. Here previous bit is 1 and current bit is 0. If we are moving from here to here, from Q1 to Q0, then previous bit is 1 and current bit is 0. So we are heading towards 0, so what we will get? Obviously 0 1. If we add 0 or 1, then what we will get? 0 1. Or if we add 1 1, then what we will get? 1 0, because 0 1 1 0 and 1 is carry, so we can write like this. And 0 or 1, then what we will get? 1. And for clarity only, we will write 0 on left hand side, although it doesn't mean anything, it's just mean 1, but still we write like this so that it will easy to understand. So when we add 0 1, then what we will get? 1 only, but we will add 0 on the left hand side. We will write like this only, and when we add 1 1, then obviously we will get 0 and 1 carry, so we will write like this too. It will be easy to understand. So this is the addition for previous and current bit. If previous bit is 0 and current bit is also 0, then what we will get? 0 0. If previous bit is 0 and current bit is 1, then what we will get? 0 1 for addition. And if previous bit is 1 and current bit is also 1, then what we will get? 1 0. If previous bit is 1 and current bit is 0, then what we will get? 0 1. So in this way, this is the addition for present and previous bit by Mealy machine.